But this quake that just struck's 5 times bigger than that first one. And there was a 1 in 20 chance. Whenever that thing pops off, then you realize when you get a 6-pointer like that, then there's a 1 in 20 chance. That's a precursor quake to something that's bigger coming. 7.1, Ridgecrest, California. And hopefully, for now, this is going to... I did not see this coming through the lull period. That's another scary part with the activity. Oh, I didn't straighten up this window. That's kind of the scary part. But I'm feeling a little bit prophetic. I'm like, man, this after the 6.4, pointing out Alaska, that was the backside alignment. This 6.4, and then pointing down this region and saying, well, what's the ways they're going to come from the north to the south, or is it going to come up? So we've been watching these larger magnitude earthquakes down here at the bottom, underneath. Larger magnitude earthquakes, 5s and then the 6s. So I was saying, you guys here, this is the convergence zone. This energy that's being released right here, right now, originated over here. Between Indonesia and Fiji, it's been coming around the south side. This is quarter 2, coming around the north side. Quarter 1. And now, what my recent reporting is that quarter 2A is pushed up against 1 right up here. It can't go any further, so it's causing this lateral expansion of this magma plume formation here. Plus, the Hawaii mantle plume connection being made, and then the new series of earthquakes. That was what I was just pointing. The 5.3 that struck here struck only 5 minutes from the 6.4. That it's appearing. We used to have to wait for this energy to go all the way around quarter 2B, quarter 2, and then get separated here at 2B and 2A, and then see signs of it up here. So it takes about a week. Deep quakes takes a week. Larger quakes going in this direction, that makes me worry a little bit. There's going to be, well, it's definitely going to be more. Now, whether it's going to be in a few days or whether it's going to be in a few months or it's going to be 6 months from now, I don't know. Nobody knows. But you guys that are here, I've been saying this for a couple of years, 3 years now. You're in the eye of the storm, and you're already seeing the signs of it right here. Though the frogs that are in the warming water, if you just want to sit there and just wait, imagine that this guy right here hits in downtown LA. Imagine it hits in San Francisco. Buildings are going to be, and even with buildings that are made for this type of thing, look at the magnitudes. What happens when it's an 8.6? What happens when it's a 9.6? That's the type of scenario that we're looking at here. It's very possible something like that happens. And if just imagine rush hour Friday. If you're out there in LA, you're living in the metro, and you have 7 lanes going each way, and they're all crammed full just from getting home on Friday. Imagine what it's going to be like whenever you get the real freaking deal. This is still relatively in a sparsely populated area. Imagine whenever this guy migrates over to the fault line and it goes right up through all these cities.